Good day, dear all. Yeah, so this will be about the ShipCheckAI, or how we call it in the team, SCAI. Yeah, so what will be covered in this? Yeah, what is ShipCheckAI? Why it's important? Yeah, what it does and how it works. Yeah, so basically, in essence, so few facts before we start. Yeah. 80% plus of the all goods moved globally are across the seas and oceans across the water. Yeah? So that's why there have been disasters, serious disasters previously, yeah, and they are still happening, yeah, historically, and up to now they are happening, yeah. All of us human beings, we depend on water resources and etc. Yeah, the beaches and environment as such. Yeah, so that's why safe shipping and maritime in general is crucial for us as human beings. Yeah, so in 2024, 2,275 ships were detained. Yeah, so let's say Paris Memorandum of Understanding, port state control detentions were 665. Yeah, Tokyo 1189. Yeah, then Mediterranean 196. Yeah, and the Indian region 225. Yeah, so it's considerable number. These are detained ships, so which means there were serious issues which needed to be resolved. Yeah. Next fact is that in a report about human factor involved in the safety issues, all related matters, yeah, are that 78.8%. This is human factor inside everything what is in maritime incidents happening. Yeah. So the next fact is that global rules, yeah, and education is there, of course, but the outcome is slightly different. Yeah, and it comes down to the individual. Yeah, so and that's why next what I would like to dive deeper is this 4 attributes to consider before we start talking about the improvements. Yeah, so basically individual knowledge and experience is crucial for everything what is happening in the maritime, in shipping, on ships, and etc. It's brain. Yeah, so knowledge, yeah, the more knowledge, the more experience, yeah, the more person knows. That's brain. So then there is an emotional state. Yeah, so basically what does it mean? Yeah, the person has not been on shore side for a long time or is prohibited to go on shore side. Possibly there is no communication with the relatives. It makes huge stress for the human being, any human being, obviously, especially nowadays, yeah, when everything is accessible. Next is maybe there are issues at home and nobody around in a cruise have knowledge about it. Yeah, so and then of course it's we go to the communication inside the team. Yeah, the issues, the problems, the characters, everything. It comes down to the outcome of individual on board the vessel, and we need to encounter that. And as the last one, yeah, is action. Doing something, going and doing something versus signing off. Yeah, that I did it. Yeah, so that's why here we come down to the ShipCheckAI tool as a direct assistant for the ship's crew and indirect assistant tool for the ship owners, shipping operators, and all of us in combination. Yeah, so basically the better performs the ship's crew, the safer, the more efficient, the outcome is obviously better for all of us. Yeah, so that's why how we as a team who are delivering the ShipCheckAI, how we are addressing these issues. Yeah, we can look in two ways. Human in the loop, yeah. So this is how we see it, yeah. So that basically AI is assistant. Yeah? There can be human on the loop, which means that it's robo shipping, yeah. But I don't see it anywhere around, and so that's why we need to see it, and as we see it, human in the loop, yeah. So that basically human gets the best possible tool, assistant, on board the ship while serving on board, yeah. What it does, in essence, what is the ShipCheckAI assisting with, yeah. So basically reduces knowledge gap by providing additional info. So we might consider the person knows everything, but possibly forgot. Possibly there is this human element inside, shame to admit that I don't know something. This need to be encountered, yeah. And then the ShipCheckAI will provide this additional knowledge for person to understand better what exactly needs to be looked after and what exactly needs to be done, yeah. So reduces administration timing, yeah. Let's say every inspection takes a long time, and the reporting it takes enormous amount of energy, enormous amount of resources, and as well time, yeah. Because all parties involved need to understand what exactly is wrong and what needs to be done to rectify it, yeah. And that's why this is crucial, and this is where the ShipCheckAI comes in, analyzing the pictures, giving additional information, and giving the report after analyzation of the pictures. They gives the report in 5 seconds instead of hours, yeah. As well, ShipCheckAI demands from the crew to go and do activities to inspect, yeah, and take those photos for analysis to generate the report, yeah. And this, in retrospect, avoids this simplified signing off, yeah, where shore-based personnel relying on the crews on board cannot verify physical action, yeah. And these are those just a few things, yeah, where we think, our team thinks that ShipCheckAI is the great tool, great assistant for ship's crews to improve situation in general. We need to say a little bit about the, of course, data security, yeah, which is reputational risks and leaks and etc. Yeah, for the companies. Yeah, nobody wants that, and this is we are addressing as well. In our homepage, you can see more clearly about it. Yeah, but we don't store anything, no reports, no pictures. Yeah, our AI system is learning and comparing the existing material on the photo with the existing rules and regulations, conventions like MARPOL, SOLAS, ISM code, and etc. Yeah, all those MLC, all those are taken into the consideration. Yeah. So that's why how it works. Yeah, it's very simple. Yeah, there will be video at the end. But how it works, it's very simple. Yeah, our AI assistant has been taught has the database of all the conventions, regulations, rules, and etc. inside. So that's why every single photo taken on board the ship is being compared with the existing rules and regulations and issued the report. Yeah, that's in essence, in a broad terms. Yeah, so that's why. Thank you very much for listening. Yeah, and if you have some spare moments, just check how it's practically worked from our homepage. Take care.